the Russians took us by surprise. We had been at war for almost 4 months, and still we couldn't understand what was happening. Even as artillery shells started exploding on the streets of Seattle, many people just stood there, stunned by shock and disbelief. War can be fascinating to watch on TV, but up close and personal, it's a whole other story. Imagine your office blown to pieces, your car thrown about like a discarded glove, and your friend lying on the street, his body torn to bloody shreds. That was the reality in Seattle on that fateful day, fall of '89. The Army was fighting in Europe and elsewhere and aren't supposed to, but they failed. They were fooled, as all fooled, Soviet ruse. But as the first
trying to reach the Major. What? Who's in command then? What do you mean, I am? What? How the hell should I know? We have to fall back and regroup. Come in. Zulupan, come in.
Okay? Are you serious, Captain? We lost 4 choppers down there already. It's a death sentence.
So is treason, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir. Going there now. Red Eye out. They got the whole harbor. We have to pull out now. Retreat, sir, retreat. Ah! Red Eye 4, come in. God damn it. Kill those commies, Parker. We have to secure the area before we can start pulling back. Okay, Parker. I know you were the Colonel's pet, but you don't impress me worth a damn. We need some intel before we leave this quagmire, and I want you to gather it. Find out what the hell is going on and relay back to me, Parker. Wonder how those damn commies managed to sneak by our Navy.
Bradley APC rolling, sir. Yes, sir. APC moving out. Shots are moving. Bradley APC rolling, sir.
I'll be damned. They must have hidden in those civilian freighters. I bet there's more coming. Is anyone out there? This is Staff Sergeant Hanson of the Washington National Guard. I have men pinned down at the docks in need of immediate reinforcements. They're killing us.
We hear you, Sergeant. See what you can do, Parker. My forces here are all tied down.
Yes, sir. APC moving out. Driving to coordinate. Bradley APC moving out.
Attention all units in Seattle.
in or any higher command. We're on our own.
Firing at hostiles. Toe on target, sir. Armored infantry support.
Wipe them out, Parker. Show them what Americans are made of.
Rolling into combat. Bradley APC moving and rolling into combat. Rolling into combat. Shoot that target. Yeah, got it. Moving to fighting position. Launch that turret. Heading to coordinate. Rolling into combat. Bradley infantry transport ready. Enemy target. Smoke screen activated. We're supporting the troops. Engage the target. Bradley returning fire. Yeah, got it. Smoke screen deployed.
Good job. Now get the hell away from those docks. Seems those commie sons of bitches are massing for an attack from the harbor.
This is Hanson. The National Guard has a supply depot near the harbor. If you can secure it, we might be able to bring in some reinforcements.
Bradley APC.
We need all the help we can get. Secure that depot, Lieutenant Parker.
Boarding the transport. AT squad, infantry moving into the transport.
Bradley APC.
Come on, you commies! Me and my boys are gonna set you up for a dinner date with Stalin!
Yes, all go. Bradley deploying.
Bring it on, you bastards! We can take whatever you throw at us!
Moving. Infantry has been killed. Yes, moving.
The supply depot has been secured. This is where you'll get your reinforcements, Parker. You better make sure the LZ stays clear. Incoming crew will fall back another inch. This is our country, damn it!
Target defeated.
We're under attack!
Hanson here. A lot of civilians have gathered at the Kingdom. We have to get them out of there before it's too late.
What we need, Sergeant, is to get the hell out of this city before it's too late for all of us.
But we can't leave them there to die, Captain.
Damn it. You know we can't. Parker, I can't risk going there. You will have to work your way to the Kingdom.
You better recon the route before you go. The Russians are probably everywhere by now.
I know that, Sergeant. Parker, send out some scouts to recon that position.
The APC here, sir. Bradley, on the wall. We need order, Charlie 2 coordinates. Armored transport entering combat. Fire that tunnel! Yeah, got it. Armored transport joining combat. That soldier is dead.
Anti-tank unit here. Boarding transport.
What do you want? Enter the transport now.
Go! Last man truck engine!
Coordinates. Armor is combat ready. On go! Yes, sir. Armor leaving. We're going to push it, sir. Bradley, tracks are moving. Gunman leaving. Fire that tunnel! Bradley here, sir.
Hurry up with those orders. AT squad reaching the building. We gotta do the forced entry now. Where do you want these rockets?
Radiation go! Hurry, Bradley, roll! Armor's rolling, sir. Rolling, sir.
Yes, good. Okay. Infantry, good to go. So going into the building. AT squad ready. Yes.
Yes, sir. Tracks are moving.
There's a lot of Russians occupying the buildings along the way, sir.
We'll handle it. I've got an artillery battery on the horn, and they're offering fire support. Don't waste it on nothing, Parker. And make sure you clear out that infantry before moving your units through.
This is Yankee 5. Just provide us with your target coordinates and we'll take care of the rest. Over.
This is Bravo 4. We're facing a sustained Soviet assault that cannot hold. Please advise. Over. Heavy infantry, good to go.
Moving to position. Moving into the transport. That was the last one, sir.
Yes, sir. Transport reporting in. Moving out. Bradley infantry transport ready. Moving as ordered. Bradley moving as ordered. Bradley, I'm rolling, sir. Armored transport reporting in. Bradley APC here, sir. Armor ready. Rolling, sir. Bradley infantry transport ready. Armored transport reporting in.
Fit for fight, sir.
Anti-tank.
On our way, sir. Enter securing building, sir. Going into the building.
AT squad ready.
Yes. Getting embarking, sir.
Armor is combat ready. Yes,
We're all
sir.
in the transport.
APC moving out. Armor is combat ready. Moving as ordered. Bradley on the roll. Bradley APC here, sir. Yes, sir. Armor available. We are ready to rumble, sir. Armor moving out.
Yes, sir. Ready for action. Going into the building.
We got him, sir.
Anti-tank unit here, sir.
Your order. We need orders. Hurry up. Pop in a smoke screen. Target defeated. Bradley APC here, sir.
Heavy infantry, good to go.
Enter securing building, sir.
Bradley infantry transport ready. Armor ready. Yep, leaving. That soldier is
Ready?
dead.
Yes. On our way, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. Armor available.
Heavy infantry, good to go.
Armor's ready to go. Armor's driving to moving out. Moving out. Enemy neutral blowing smoke, sir.
Anti-tank unit here, sir.
Entering building.
Armor's ready to go. Bradley on the roll. Your order. Roll.
Lost a unit.
Attention to reinforcements, Parker. They're deployed at the supply LZ.
Affirmative. Bradley APC moving out.
Unit killed.
Armored rolling into combat. Got a target. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. APC moving out.
AT squad.
Going into the building. Entering building. One less soldier alive in there. One less hostile, sir.
Armored transport. Leaving. Bradley APC here, sir. Launching tow, sir. Bradley infantry transport ready. Launching tow. Bradley APC here, sir. Tow on target, sir. Tow on target.
Anti-tank unit here, sir.
Sir. Yeah.
Anti-tank unit.
Going into the building. Heavy infantry, good to go. We took out that soldier in the building.
The route is clear, and that artillery battery is needed elsewhere, Parker. Now get your butt to the Kingdome. We're gonna airlift in reinforcements and then get some trucks to carry those civilians out of there.
Too late, sir! The Russians are moving into the parking lot of the Kingdome, and my men have spotted several anti-air batteries there as well.
I'll abort the evacuation then. Those civilians will have to fend for themselves.
Unless we can get rid of that AAA.
Yeah, well, I don't have the men to spare. Parker, you give it a try. Clear the LZ at the Kingdome so our choppers can get the civilians out of there. Parker, there's a damaged Bradley stranded near the Kingdome. See if you can patch it up. I'm sending a Humvee for you to use.
Bradley infantry moving out.
I'm losing people all over the city, damn it! We won't be able to hold out much longer!
Sir, on our way, sir. Ready, will do, sir. AT squad moving to the destination. Securing building, sir. On our way, sir.
Yes, sir. Driving, leaving.
Want a fast transport somewhere, sir?
Infantry, good to go. Boarding the transport.
Ready to repair.
Heavy infantry, good to go. Will do, sir. Reporting in. Okay.
Nice shot. Tank destroyed.
Want a fast transport, so moving fast, sir.
Yes, sir. Ready for action. Infantry, embark. Moving into the transport. Anti-tank unit here, sir. Moving out. Yes, okay. We're all in the transport.
Troop, yes, sir, will do. Red rolling. Ready to drive. Rolling out. Driving quickly. Rolling out.
Fit for fight, sir. Going securing buildings, sir.
Want a fast transport? Yes, sir. We're ready to drive, sir. Mechanic is in place, sir. Start repairs.
We're ready with the hip. Make a run for it.
We got the vehicle right on.
They're
We
shooting
took
at
out the
us!
target.
Things are getting ugly down here, sir. Yes, sir, will do. Starting with the repairs. Sir, move in.
We are ready to move,
Make it up.
sir.
Yes, sir, will do. Patching them up, sir.
That's a confirmed kill. Bomber transport reporting in. Moving out.
Good for you, Parker. You're gonna need that, Bradley.
Bradley, moving out.
Make it up. Rolling out. Moving fast, sir.
Where do you want these rockets?
Ready to repair. Feel them moving fast, sir.
Ready for duty.
Bradley AP driving to coordinates.
Yes, sir. Boarding transport.
All down, incoming.
Everyone's aboard.
Bradley, you got the target,
Drop
sir.
now.
Hostiles targeted, sir. Bomber transport ready. Roger, will do.
I'll be damned, Parker. We might just do this. Keep it up.
Tow on target, sir. Tow on target. Moving to fighting position.
Engine, yes, sir, rolling. Rolling.
Bomber
Kill
landing,
the
sir.
enemy vehicle.
Bradley APC moving out. Bradley, I'm driving to coordinates. Rolling, sir. Driving to coordinates. Attacking the enemy. That's a confirmed kill. Tow on target, sir. Bradley firing from position.
Hostile defeated.
Hostiles targeted, sir. Launching tow, sir.
Another one down, Parker.
Kill. Tow on target. Launching tow, sir.
One more, and we can bring in those choppers, Lieutenant.
Tow on target. Smoke launch destroyed. Combat initiated.
Bravo 4 here. We have almost no ammo left, and I got a lot of wounded men. We need support.
Engine is running. Yes, sir, will do.
Enemy neutralized. Moving on. Destroy the target. APC attacking. Spinning those tracks. Locking hostiles. Launching tow, sir. Laying down suppressing. Target to
The area is clear of enemy AA. I've called in the choppers. Get to the LZ and set up a perimeter.
Master, yes, sir, will do. Driving quickly.
We are ready to moving as ordered.
This is Hotel 2-9er. The LZ has been cleared. I repeat, the LZ has been cleared. We're bringing in reinforcements at this time. Over.
Hotel 2-9er, this is Hotel 6. Hold formation and keep a lookout for the enemy. They'll be back in the area soon enough. Hotel 6 out.
The Kingdome just got totally razed by artillery. Those civilians were damn lucky I was around to save their butts. Now we should see about getting the hell away from here. We've already overstayed our welcome.
Hanson here. I have squads pinned down all over the city. We need help extracting.
Your people will have to take care of themselves, Sergeant. We can't stick around any longer.
But, sir, you can't leave us here to die.
All right. God damn it. Parker, you handle it. I can't risk going there now.
AT squad, we're going to sprint to the target. Moving into the transport. Entering transport. That was the last one.
Moving as ordered. Yes, sir. APC moving out. Armor driving to coordinate. Moving into leaving. Ready.
Good! You found them! Help them clear the area!
Anti-tank going. Entering building. Moving. Okay.
Yes, sir. Armor available. Pop smoke!
The rebels entering building.
We are ready to rumble, sir. Attacking the enemy. Moving out. Armor rolling, sir. Moving is ordered. Yes, sir. Armor available. Ready to rumble, sir. Tow on target, sir. We got a launching tow, sir. Launching tow.
Thank you, sir. Now there are just a couple of more guys that need help.
Will do, sir. Moving. Going into the building.
I'm sure they taught you this at West Point, Parker, but if you order your guys to move in a box formation, it'll be a lot easier to negotiate those narrow streets.
Will do, sir.
This is Bravo 4. We need reinforcements, damn it! Is anyone out there? My RTO just got shot and I'm down to my last man.
Hang in there, Bravo 4. We'll get you out.
Driving to coordinates.
Roger that. I'll try to relocate the...
Ready for duty.
Bravo 4, come in.
Anti-tank unit moving out, sir. Securing building, sir. Yeah, on our way, sir.
Armor transport with tracks on moving.
Ready for duty. Entering building.
Bradley APC here, sir.
Anti-tank going into the building. The vehicle is neutralized.
Bradley infantry attacking. Direct hit on the enemy, sir. Destroy the target. Fire that tow. Tow on target, sir.
Troop carrier waiting for orders. Moving fast, starting with the repairs.
Hooah! Go, go, go!
Moving to position. On our way, sir. Entering building.
Where do you want these rockets? Securing building. We're taking heat.
Ready to rolling out.
Destroyed.
Targeting hostile.
They're firing at us.
Firing heavy machine gun, sir. My deuce is on the job. Loading up with armor piercing. We can't last much. Moving into position.
Direct hit on the
For your
enemy,
protection, sir. Humvee is heading out.
Armor's ready to go. Moving out. We're supporting the troops. Hostile target defeated.
Want a fast transport somewhere, sir? Moving fast, sir. Engine is running, sir. Under in gear.
Armor driving to coordinates. Armor's ready to go. Ready those tracks.
You've located them, LT. If you can help them clear the area, they can get away.
Trying to push it, sir. Shoot that target. Launching tow, sir. Launching tow. Tow on target. We got the vehicle right off. Direct hit on the enemy, sir. Target
Ready to drive. AP rounds loaded. Ready to repair. Initiating attack, sir.
Hostile chopper down. Armor transport. Hostile targeted, sir.
Thank you, Lieutenant. We'll remember this. Hanson out.
Yeah, you're a real savior, Parker. Time for us to get out of here. we'll have to go through the underpass to the east.
Want a fast transport somewhere? Snatching them up, sir.
We need all the help we can get. Secure that depot, Lieutenant Parker. I got some more artillery support for you. Use it to clear the area.
This is Yankee 5. We're standing by and ready to fire, sir.
Who the hell is in charge of this mess? I thought we were gonna retreat!
And we will, Private, but we have to stay organized.
To hell with that, sir! If we want to live, we better start running!
Stay off the net if you don't have anything useful to report. The supply depot has been secured. This is where you'll get your reinforcements, Parker. You better make sure the LZ stays clear.
To anyone who's out there, I'm what's left of the 2nd Platoon, and I'm getting out of the city now! I suggest you all do the same!
You will retreat in an orderly fashion, Private. That's a direct order.
Sir! Screw you!
Bradley infantry train. Yes, sir. Rolling slowly. Yes, sir. APC.
To all units, check in with me before you reposition. And rally at position 2-4 if your CO is dead.
Engage the target.
We lost a unit.
Roll it around. Destroy the target. Armored transport firing at hostiles. Armored infantry spinning those tracks. Bradley, I'm tracks off.
Damn it! The underpass has been blocked! Now you're gonna have to fight your way out!
Bradley APC, forward push
We
it.
got casualties.
I've sent you some reinforcements, Parker. They're deployed at the supply LZ.
Rolling around, rolling into combat. Yes, sir. APC moving out. Moving out. Armored transport reporting in. Bradley, on the roll. Driving to coordinates. Bradley firing from position. Moving out. APC moving out. Attacking the enemy. Bradley on the roll. Bradley APC is combat ready. We are ready to rumble, sir. Yes, sir. APC moving out. Bradley, I'm hostiles targeted, sir. Driving to coordinates. Bradley APC moving out. Yes, sir. APC moving out. Moving is ordered. Shoot that target! APC attacking the enemy. Target vehicle disabled. Armored transport entering combat. Combat initiated. Kill confirmed. Armored transport joining locking hostiles. take position. Enemies up.
We've got casualties.
Going to push it.
I sent you some reinforcements, Parker. They're deployed at the supply LZ.
They got us targeted. They got us badly returning fire at hostile. Rolling her up. We got that badly low. Spinning those tracks.
Unit killed.
Yeah, got it. Launch that bow. Kill confirmed. APC attacking the smoke screen activated. Locking hostile. Bradley returning fire at hostile. Spinning those tracks. Destroy the target. Bradley.
This is Eagle 6. Captain Bannon, is that you?
Colonel Sawyer? How the hell did...
No time, Captain. Bring what forces you have and meet me by the I-90 bridge. You got that?
Sir,
A simple yes will suffice, Bannon.
Yes, sir. We'll be there. Bannon out.